Imagine a land bursting with life, a place painted in the brightest colors of nature. This is Costa Rica. It is a small country in Central America, yet it holds an amazing amount of the world's living things. So many different plants and animals live here. It is a true treasure chest of biodiversity. The warm sun and plentiful rain help life to flourish. From high mountains to the sandy beaches, life is everywhere. This small nation acts as a bridge. It connects North and South America. This special position means many creatures meet and mingle here. Over many years, this has created a unique mix of life. You can find animals here that are found nowhere else on Earth. The landscapes themselves are varied and beautiful. Each one supports its own special community of wildlife. Costa Rica decided long ago to protect its natural wonders. Many parts of the country are national parks. These parks are safe homes for the animals and plants. This commitment is very important. It means that these wild places can continue to thrive. Exploring Costa Rica is like stepping into a living storybook. In the forests of Costa Rica, the air is filled with color. Much of this color comes from the birds. There are so many different kinds here. Some are tiny, like the hummingbirds, darting from flower to flower. Their wings beat so fast they are almost invisible. They sip nectar, the sweet juice of flowers. This gives them energy for their busy lives. Other birds are large and majestic, soaring above the trees. Each one has its own special place in this green world. One of the most famous birds is the resplendent quetzal. It is a truly breathtaking sight. The male quetzal has long, flowing tail feathers. These feathers are a brilliant green shimmering in the light. It has a bright red chest. Seeing one fly through the cloud forest is an unforgettable experience. Then there are the toucans with their enormous, colorful beaks. These beaks look heavy, but they are surprisingly light. Toucans use their beaks to reach fruit on branches. Their bright colors make them stand out against the green leaves. High in the canopy of Costa Rican forests, life moves at a slower pace. This is the realm of the sloth. These gentle creatures are perfectly adapted to life in the trees. There are two main types here, the two-toed sloth and the three-toed sloth. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down. Their long claws give them a firm grip on the branches. They move very slowly to save energy. This also helps them avoid being seen by predators. Sloths eat leaves, buds, and young twigs. Their diet is not very rich in energy. This is another reason why they move so little. They have a very slow metabolism. Algae can even grow on their fur. This gives them a greenish color which helps them blend in with the leaves. It is wonderful camouflage. Baby sloths cling to their mothers for many months. They learn how to survive in their treetop world. Of course, sloths are not the only mammals in these rich forests. Monkeys are a common sight and sound. Howler monkeys have an incredibly loud call. Spider monkeys are agile acrobats. White-faced capuchin monkeys are very intelligent. Down on the forest floor and in the damp places, another world awaits. This is where we find many fascinating amphibians and reptiles. Costa Rica is famous for its colorful poison dart frogs. These tiny frogs are truly vibrant. They come in shades of red, blue, yellow, and green. Their bright colors are a warning to predators. They tell other animals that the frog's skin contains toxins. It is a clever way to stay safe in a dangerous world. These little frogs are active during the day. You might see them hopping among the fallen leaves. They lay their eggs in moist places. Some species even carry their tadpoles on their backs. They take them to small pools of water, perhaps in a bromeliad plant. This parental care is quite remarkable for such small creatures. Each species of poison dart frog has its own unique pattern and color. Reptiles also thrive in Costa Rica's warm climate. Green iguanas are often seen basking in the sun. Smaller lizards dart through the undergrowth hunting for insects. Snakes, too, are part of this ecosystem. Some, like the eyelash viper, are beautifully camouflaged. Section 5. The lush rainforests, a canopy of life. The rainforests of Costa Rica are like great green cathedrals. Giant trees reach towards the sky, their leaves forming a dense canopy. This canopy is a world of its own. It captures most of the sunlight. It is home to countless species of animals and plants. Life here is abundant, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The air is warm and humid. The sounds of the rainforest create a constant living symphony. Up in the canopy, monkeys leap from branch to branch. Birds with brilliant feathers fly through the gaps in the leaves. Epiphytes, plants that grow on other plants, cling to the tree trunks. Orchids and bromeliads display their beautiful flowers. They collect water in their leaves, creating tiny pools. These pools can be homes for insects and even small frogs. The canopy is a busy, bustling place full of interactions. Every creature and plant has a role to play in this complex system. The forest floor below is darker and cooler. Fallen leaves create a rich layer on the ground. This layer provides food and shelter for many creatures. Fungi and insects work to decompose the leaves. This returns nutrients to the soil. Larger animals like tapirs and peccaries forage for food. Section 6. Mystical cloud forests. Life in the mist. Higher up in the mountains of Costa Rica, we find a different kind of forest. These are the cloud forests. As their name suggests, they are often shrouded in mist. The air here is cool and damp. The trees are shorter than in the lowland rainforests. They are covered in a thick blanket of mosses, lichens, and ferns. This green coat drips with moisture, giving the forest an ethereal, magical feel. The constant moisture in the cloud forest supports a unique array of life. Many plants here are epiphytes. They thrive in the damp conditions, drawing water directly from the clouds. Orchids bloom in a stunning variety of shapes and colors. Bromeliads create miniature water worlds in their leaf bases. The trees themselves are often gnarled and twisted. They are shaped by the wind and the cool mountain air. The animals of the cloud forest are also special. This is the prime habitat for the resplendent quetzal. Hummingbirds are abundant here too. Small mammals like coatis and kinkajous search for food among the trees. Section 7. Coastal Wonders, where the jungle meets the sea. Costa Rica is blessed with two long coastlines. One faces the Pacific Ocean, the other the Caribbean Sea. Where the lush jungle meets the sparkling sea, incredible habitats are formed. Mangrove forests thrive in the salty, brackish waters of estuaries. Their tangled roots provide a safe nursery for young fish and shellfish. Many birds, such as herons and egrets, feed and nest among the mangroves. These are vital ecosystems, acting as a buffer between land and sea. The beaches of Costa Rica are famous for their beauty. Some have black volcanic sand, others have golden or white sand. These beaches are not just for relaxing, they are important nesting sites for several species of sea turtles. At certain times of the year, female turtles emerge from the ocean. They drag themselves up the beach to lay their eggs. Protecting these nesting beaches is crucial for the survival of these magnificent creatures. The waters offshore are also teeming with life. Coral reefs found in some areas are like underwater cities. They are built by tiny animals called polyps. These reefs provide homes for a dazzling array of colorful fish. Section 8. A Nation's Pledge. The story of conservation in Costa Rica. Costa Rica has a remarkable story to tell about conservation. Many years ago, this nation made a choice. It decided to protect its incredible natural wealth. Instead of cutting down all its forests, it chose to save them. This was a bold decision, and it has paid off. Today, a large part of Costa Rica is protected. National parks and private reserves cover much of the land. This commitment has made Costa Rica a world leader in conservation. This focus on protection began several decades ago. People realized that the forests and wildlife were disappearing. They understood that these natural treasures were valuable, not just for their beauty but for the health of the planet, and also for the well-being of the Costa Rican people. Ecotourism, travel that focuses on nature, has become very important. It provides jobs and income for local communities. It also gives people a reason to protect the environment. Many efforts are underway to continue this work. Reforestation projects are helping to bring back forests in areas that were cleared. Corridors of trees are being planted. Section 9. Our shared responsibility, protecting these treasures for tomorrow. We have journeyed through Costa Rica's amazing landscapes. We have seen some of its incredible wildlife, from the vibrant quetzal to the slow-moving sloth. From the tiny poison dart frog to the giant sea turtle. Each creature is a marvel of adaptation. Each habitat is a complex web of life. These natural wonders fill us with awe and inspiration. They remind us of the beauty and diversity of our planet. They are truly precious. But these treasures are fragile. They depend on us to protect them. The conservation efforts in Costa Rica are wonderful, but they cannot succeed alone. The responsibility for protecting wildlife and wild places belongs to all of us. Our actions, no matter where we live, can have an impact. We can choose to support sustainable practices. We can reduce our own impact on the environment. We can learn more about the natural world and share that knowledge. Supporting conservation in any way we can makes a real difference. Let us work together to ensure that places like Costa Rica continue to thrive.